So you know that saying when you haven't seen someone in a very long time, but when you finally catch up, it's like right where you left off. Well, this is what the channel is about. A place where you can feel at home, come back whenever needed, or to just come hang out and talk about videography with an old friend. My name is Seb and I'm a video content creator, YouTuber, and currently based in New Jersey. I'll be teaching you everything I've struggled with so that you'll be prepared and have less to stress about when you're out there creating your first project. Video has been a medium for me to express my art, and I love how there are so many layers into creating a piece that can make an impact on your audience. In the past 5 years, I've worked on a lot of run and gun type of content, varying from music events, food, and travel, as well as creating my own personal projects. If you're someone who feels lost at the moment on where to even begin, then I'm glad that you're watching this right now, because I have so much to share with you all, and I hope that you can learn a lot from the content I'll be providing you. So this is my warm welcome to all the beginners out there who are ready to go, who are ready to work hard. Let's just enjoy learning together, and thank you guys for tuning in.